Don't smell like heating up or anything, man.
Oh yeah.
What you running back there?
So I'm running the 4 Skar EVL 15s on a Crescendo 17K.
Oh, you got a big one.
Yeah.
That's the catch.
Yeah, that's the catch. And powering that is a 95 amp hour lithium bank.
You got a lot going on back there.
I got it. And I still need more juice, man.
It's still dropping on you. That's a big amp, though. That's a big one.
So luckily I have the JS alternator that's 320 amps.
Yeah, you got a big one.
So I was like, I wish I could put more alternators underneath the hood, but
Cram together.
no room.
Yeah.
I was like, man, this sucks.
You gotta do something else.
Yeah, so I gotta have a bigger battery bank.
Yeah, to pay for that alternator.
Yeah.
Yeah, space, yeah. Man, where can I find you at? On social media anywhere?
You can find me at Mike Bain 807. And what I do on there is people's reactions to the sound system. Some of it's quite common. Hit it up.
Okay, y'all be sure to follow, man. I appreciate it, bro. I'm gonna try to tag you.
If you want more footage, you open this
yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
that door and all that.
Okay. Hold up. Oh man.
Yep. There's my baby right there.
Got it lit up and everything.
Okay. Perfect.
They smell like that 17K, man. Oh yeah. I appreciate it, bro. I see you, man. Yes, sir.
Bitch on play, please don't play. Tools on deck like a farmer. Can't shot that killing.